Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you an easy way to repair corrupted or unopenable videos in clicks. When you open a video and find it is unplayable, what can you do to get back the video content? Here, iSunshare's XRepair Genius can repair corrupted video files in minutes. Download and install it on your computer. Open the software and select Video Repair option on the sidebar. Then click the Add Video button. Select your corrupted video to import. Okay, the video is in the list. Hit the Repair button now. Congratulations! The video is successfully repaired. You can hit the Preview button to have a check. Finally, hit the Save button and select a folder to save the repaired video. See, the video is kept here. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.